What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we got the JBL Extreme 3 that we're gonna try out and see how good this speaker is. Now this was on sale on JBL's website, so I got it for around $140, which I think is a really good deal for a speaker like this. And I read so much good things about these speakers. Now there is JBL Extreme 4 as well, but since this was on sale for a really good price, I couldn't say no to it. I really wanted a new summer speaker as well for this year, and I thought let's try this speaker out and see how good it is. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and then we're gonna try it out with some music to see how good it is. But before we do that, and as always, we're gonna see what ChatGPT says about this speaker and what the specs are, because we can use Google, but why do something like that when we have something like this? So we got JBL Extreme is a powerful portable Bluetooth speaker designed for outdoor and indoor. So we got audio performance is 2 JBL bass radiators for dynamic sound and powerful bass and crisp highs. IP67, which means it's waterproof and dustproof as well. So we got 15 hours of playback on a single charge. We got USB-C fast charging support and party boost if you want to connect several of these speakers together. I don't know if the limit is 100 speakers together. I don't want to connect several of these speakers together. I don't know if the limit is 100 speakers together. I don't know what that is, but something like that. It's crazy amounts of speakers you can connect together with the JBL speakers, which I think is really awesome. When you want to rig up some party style of speakers together. Then rugged build, and we got straps within this as well, so you can carry it like a little bag on the side of it. And we got you can charge it with a power bank as well. So what we're gonna do is a quick little unboxing, and I got several cameras. I got a camera right here and a camera right there, so we're gonna do a little unboxing of this right now, and then we're gonna try it out. I have another JBL box, party box, that I want to unbox as well in tomorrow's video, but in today's video we got this. And then I got a JBL speaker that I really want to see how good that is, because that's been actually a dream speaker for me to buy, and I finally bought it. Not the big one, but JBL Reactor 900, which is the JBL Phantom 2 98 dB decibels. So that's also going to be a speaker we're going to try out in the next couple of weeks. But in today's video we got this. Let me just cut up the plastics on this side, on each side of this box, and let's see. In case you want to see what the box looks like, we got the JBL here, JBL here, and we got specs is right here in case you want to read that something a little. But yeah, let's just do a little quick unboxing of this speaker to see what he got. I'm gonna put this to the side for now. Got some books, and then we got the cord as well. I think it's in here. So let's put this here. So let's see what the speaker looks like. Now, like I said, there is JBL Extreme 4 as well. The biggest difference there is the outputs, and there is removable battery on that. I don't know if there is any big difference in the sound when it comes to the sound power, but for the speaker itself, I think it looks pretty much the same as well, according to the pictures that I've seen online as well, so I don't know how much of a difference there is in the exterior of it. We got the strap. Power brick. Let's put this back. So let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's see what the power bricks looks like. We got the power brick right here, and then we got. Let's just put this in. Here's the strap itself. Looks pretty neat. Let's put this in. So that's what that looks like. Let's put the speakers to the side. Let's see what's inside of this. Here is the speaker itself. As you can see, we got pretty nice speaker actually. Let me just see the size so I can show you the size difference between this and the Sonos speakers that I have. Sonos Roam. And this is what this difference is. Let's just lay it down like this. So the Sonos Roam is a pretty small portable speaker, a decent speaker in case you just want to use it. Maybe you're sitting in the garden or something like that. You just want to use something like this. So let's just try it out with some copyright-free music from YouTube, and let us start with 50% of the volume. Let's go. So just a quick look. If you want to wear it like a bag, this is how it's gonna look like. I don't know how many of you guys are interested in wearing something like a speaker like a bag like this, but yeah, it works. I've seen a couple of guys wear it like this and they think that everybody wants to listen to their music when they're walking around, but yeah, in case you wondered what that looked like, this is how you're gonna look. So that was the sound test of the JBL Extreme 3 and a little bit show of the when you're wearing the straps and you want to wear it like a bag, in case you wanted to see that. So back to the speaker. The speaker sounds amazing. This was a sound test, by the way, straight out of the box. So I didn't do anything I didn't do any changes to the settings. I don't think I even downloaded the app yet, but straight out of the box sounds amazing. The bass was already good. The mids and highs was already really good. So, and like I said, $140. If you can find it for that price, this speaker is totally worth it in 2025 as well. So I think I got a really good deal for this speaker, because I've been wanting the JBL Extreme for a while. I think the boombox is a little bit too big to be carrying around. So this size is the perfect size. The Charge 5 is a little bit smaller than this, and then you got the Flip 5, but the Extreme, I think, it's at that size where you can carry it around, or if you want to put it in a bag or something like that. But then you got the boombox if you want to go up to that, a little bit more of extreme sound. Then the boombox is the next one to go for. And of course JBL have some other party boxes as well, but this Extreme 3, I don't know what the biggest difference is between this and Extreme 4 when it comes to sound, but Extreme 4, like I said before, you can take out the battery and change it when it decreases over time, if that's something you're worried about. But these speakers, you're probably gonna use them for a while or for a couple of years, and then you're gonna change them. So I'm not worried about the battery being changeable or not, but I think for the price of $140, it's a really good deal. So, by the way, let me just show you guys the next speaker we're gonna try out in the next video. I just want to show you what that is, because this is gonna be something. This is gonna be some awesome speaker as well. So we're gonna compare this as well to the JBL Extreme 3, and we're gonna compare it to some of the speakers, the Sonos speakers I have at home. But this speaker is portable as well. None of my other Sonos speakers is portable. They don't have, yeah, they're not portable, so you cannot carry. They don't have chargeable batteries, so you can take them out. The only one from Sonos that I don't have, and that is the Sonos Move 2 or Sonos Move 1 speakers that Sonos have, but I don't have any of those speakers. But we're gonna try it out, and we're gonna see if we can compare it to the speakers I have at home and see how good this party box is. So if that's something you're interested in, comment. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe and comment what you think about the JBL Extreme 3. And if you have compared the JBL Extreme 3 and 4, I would really like to know in the comment section what the biggest difference is between those two in sound wise. So, and comment what you think about this as well, what the party box is all about. This party box Encore Essential. This is the Essential model, by the way. This is not the Encore. So this is the one was a little bit cheaper, and I got this as well for $200, which was a really good price for this as well. So yeah, good deals on JBL during the first week of January. I don't know if they have the deals of the 50%. I think they still have it for this one, but not for the Extreme 3 anymore. So check JBL's website if you're interested in some of these speakers. And yeah, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.